Hello, my friends. I am here to show you what are the things I'm bringing for my 5 days trip to Europe, be specifically to Scotland. This is gift, birthday gift to myself. So I categorize them into several different categories, and actually everything here, everything I am able to fit into my backpack, and the backpack I'm using is the same old Osprey one. I've been using this for years. It's such an excellent backpack. All right, so here is the liquid bag. I have my face wash. I don't know. Have you ever used this face wash? It's Nivea's face wash with, what is that thing? But this is actually a gift. Someone gave it to me. Such a great face wash. I love it so much. And then two, you know, sunscreen plus foundation, things like that. A spray from things, perfume from Bath and Body. I love this one. A lotion. Yeah, even though there's some of the stuff here is not liquid based, so let's count how many things in toothpaste, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items in this bag. I use all of these, and then I just have a Ziploc bag again for makeup. Super simple. I have mascara, eyeliners, brush, and then shadow. And this is a blush stick, and this concealer. I didn't use this one, so I won't be bringing this next time. But there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items here, plus 8. We have 14. And then this is everything else, the personal care stuff. Do you know what this is for? I always bring this with me. It's 2 minutes timer for brushing teeth. And this is wet wipe. Put some wet wipe. I don't know, wet wipe is a very important part of my life. I need that for many things. This is, I pre-soak the cotton pad with makeup removal thing. A toothbrush, deodorant, and some more. I used up one of these already, so I have another night so I can use the other one. Do you know this case is for? Super compact, right? This is actually a case for the wax kids use for their braces. Both of my kids done with their braces, so I still stuck with a bunch of these case. This is a super handy because it's so flat, so small. Just put some allergy medicine in it just in case. I haven't luckily not need to use it. Just pack a nail clipper and Barry Bradley's handkerchief. Some other products here. So we have 8 plus 6, 14, and then 15. 16, I will count all the family product. 7, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, these are all personal care. I think that's all. Oh, there's one more, just a dental floss. 26, 27. Okay, for personal care. And this case, it's an amazing case. I love this so much. This is I don't know the name of these case, but they are super compact, very thin fabric compared with the Berry Bradleys. I will have to say Berry Bradley can be a bit more bulky, but this is very thin. It has this is pull, and also these 2 loops. You can, let's see if I have another one. This is a bigger size one. You can use this thing to loop around and carry it as a little crossbody thing, crossbody purse or something like that. So I love this. So I use this one, this size. This, I think it's extra small for all my electronic stuff. So I have headset, plug-in headset, wireless headset, charger for my Fitbit, and a power bank. And obviously I have these power cord and a international plug and everything. I think they can all fit in here. So 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay, 33 now. Okay, so get the electronic. I think for me, what works is really group things with the same function together. So don't just scatter them all over the place. This way, easier to find items you're looking for. So we have 32 now. Okay. Unfortunately, I really didn't get to use this one. These straps supposed to be very helpful because it has all these loops. Now you can carry your phone through the loops, but I didn't get to use this one. 33, and I didn't get to use this one. This is the hammock that you can use on the airplane to put your feet on. I didn't get to use it. The flight maybe not long enough. That made me super uncomfortable that I want to pull my feet up. The flight was, I think, 7 hours, 30 minutes long. So I didn't get to use this one. These two I didn't get to use. 34 now. And this is my important always carry thing. This is for me to do some massage, back massage. I can just, press my body on this ball, and again, it's the wall. Give me some massage. And this is the purse I use. This is very Bradley's. The fabric is, I think, lighten up fabric. Excellent. This is the first time actually I'm using this one, and I just love it. If you have this, it's, first of all, it's very, very compact. It's very durable. All the pockets are so functional. I sometimes put water bottle here, and then these two zipper. One I use it for my passport and wallet. The other is for other knickknacks like dental floss, gloss, lip gloss, things like that. And then a big pocket in the middle. I love this. Maybe it's called triple zip or something. I don't remember exactly. I got this long. Oh, you know what? I have the tag inside. So let me show you. I actually have the tag. Lighten up, triple zip, hipster, toucan party. That's the name of the pattern. I'm such a good Very Bradley fan, right? Kept all the tag inside. Okay. I lost count. Maybe 35 now, 35. And over here, this pouch, I have clothing related stuff. So I have socks, I have scarf, I have a little gift I bought for my son. I put that in there. And let me see if I can open this with one hand. Oh, jeez. There you go. So I still have a few socks not worn. These are all merino wool socks. I've got 3 scarves. I think one tips to pack less, but still have a different look, right? You want to have different look in your picture, right? Is to use different scarves, Alright, so I didn't get to use this hat kind of thing because it's just not cold enough here. And this is what I bought for my kids. Souvenir. Look how cool is this. M&I. Also M&I. And a found bumblebee. Anyway, so I kept them here because this pouch is very padded with these soft socks and things like that. So 35, I guess, right? 38. I didn't get to use this one. 9, 40, 41. Yeah, 41. I'll do that later. This is useful. This is packable shopping bag. Very useful. Very useful. Highly recommend. Another piece of merino wool clothes. I will be putting this on later. And guess what? Look at this thing. This long thing. Okay. I have all my clothes packed inside. And then on the airplane, I actually use it as a neck pillow. And when I'm boarding, I put this one on the outside of this backpack. Okay, so we have 42, right? And then I will say clothes inside. I think we have 52 then. This hat I used for a little bit. I didn't get to use this one. This is the cover, waterproof cover for the backpack. I didn't even use this one. These disinfectant wipes. Not using much of these tripod for the selfie sticker. Umbrella didn't get to use. A super cute water bottle, right? Backpack. That's all. So I would say I'm really packing about 60, less than 60 stuff. Ooh, I always want to count things like this. Less than 50, 60 stuff. Wow, amazing. Okay. Whew, I'm tired now. I still have a couple days here in Scotland. Alrighty.